So what's up guys, welcome to CSS tutorial, and in this class we will see how we can apply animations to our web page. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I will go to my body. I will create one division and I will give the class as div1. I'll come to this and I will say div1, and inside of that I will specify the width. I will give the width as 200 pixels, and I will give the height as 200 pixels, and background color as yellow over again. And let me just save this and see the output. Okay, so now this is my box. So now to that box I will be applying animation. So in order to apply animation to that box, I will first of all I have to give the animation name, and I will give the animation name. I will say box move, whatever name that you want to give, you can give. And after that I will say animation duration. So basically when I say animation duration, I have to specify for how long this animation should last. I will say 3 seconds. I want this animation to last 3 seconds. And after that we have to specify or make use of the keyframe. So yeah, so this is how we should be making use of the keyframe. So make use of the @ then say keyframes, and over here you have to give the name of your animation. Okay, so my name of animation was box move, so I will say box move over here. And inside of this we will tell what our animation should do. So from I want my animation to go from left 0 pixels. It should go to right 10 pixels. Okay, and I will save this. I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so it is not working. From left 0 pixels to the why this is not working. Okay, let's give some different value. I will say background color. I want that box to change its color from violet to something like yellow green. Okay, I will save this. I refresh. Okay, so now you can see it is changing color from violet to yellow. Okay, so now I will make this box move now. Okay, so I want this box to move from left. We have to give the 2 coordinates. Okay, so because of that it was not working. So it will move from left top 0 position to it will move right to the 10 pixels, and top 10 pixels. Top should be 0. I will save this. I'll come over here and refresh. Why this is not moving? Okay, so now I have made change to this code, and still it is not moving. I don't know what's the issue with this, but it was actually supposed to be moving, but it is not moving only. Okay, so now we have seen how to change the background color. So now we will be making use of the percentage. Okay, so we can specify this in terms of the percentage only. Okay, so when animation starts at 0%, these are the things that should be taking place. When animation reaches to 50%, I want these changes to take place. And when animation reaches to 100%, okay, so when animation will reach to 100%, I want to give some other color. Okay, so I will give a color like red. Okay, so let me just see whether this is working or not. Okay, so colors are getting changed, but it is not moving. So okay guys, so this animation is not working because we have to specify these parameters according to the web browsers. Okay, so these are the different codes working for the different browsers. Okay, so previously I've shown you how to name your animation, and in order to run that animation I have given the animation duration over here. Okay, but over here what you can do is instead you can make use of this, which is WebKit animation, then the name, then the duration, name and the duration. You have to write these 4 to 5 lines of code, and you have to define this animation over again. So basically I have came across this article which says your code won't work because you have to specify the animation for all the browsers. Okay, so it is telling me that I have to make specify the animation for by making use of these lines of code. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will so as of now, as can be seen, 1 2 3 4 5, I have to write this animation 5 more times. So I will copy this keyframe, I'll come down below, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and now I will specify all these things. For first animation I will give this name. I'll go to the top, and for this first animation I will give this name. For second animation, basically the code inside of that is same, but we are just making changes to the keyframe. At least one of these things should work. And last one will remain same. Okay, so last one is same. I will come over here and now I'll save this file of mine, and let me just execute this, but still it is not working. Okay guys, there is one error over here. We don't have to actually do all these things. Okay, so just don't take tension. Let me just remove this. I figured out at what point I got that error and why my animation is not working. So I will remove this code. I won't be doing all this nonsense. I will remove this code also. I will save this. So problem was with the position. Okay, so I have not specified the position. I will say position relative. Okay, and now I'll save this, and at least now this should work. Okay, so as can be seen, now it is working. So the problem was with the position, since I have not specified the position as a relative, because of which my animation was not working. Okay, so basically now what will happen is when the animation will start, its background color will be violet, and it will be at the left top position. And when half of the animation will be completed at 50%, it will come from the left, it will come to the 200 pixels at the top, and from when it will be 100% complete, I want it to come to the down position, down 100 position. Okay, so basically it should be coming from this position to this position, then it should come somewhere over here. Let me just execute this. Okay, so now as can be seen, it is working. Suppose I want to give even more details, then I can do that. What I'll do is I will just change this to 25, and I will change this to 50, and I will create one more instance of this, and I will call that instance as 100. Okay, so now this animation will be working in the 4 parts. So now it is coming to the bottom, and then I want it to go to the left hand side. Okay, so from there it will be going to the 0 position. We'll save this. I'll come over here and we'll refresh. Okay, so this is how the animation is working. It is coming from the top to the right, then the bottom, and then the left. Okay, so you just have to give this coordinates properly, And now suppose you want to run these animations for more than once, then you just have to give the animation count. You just have to come over here and animation iteration count. Okay, so this is that, and you can give the infinite. If you give the infinite, this animation will run for infinite number of times. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so it will just keep moving. It will run for n number of times, but if you just specify the number over here, like if I want this animation to run for 3 times, then I will give the number as 3. I will refresh this. 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so now it has stopped. Okay, so this is how you can give the count over here. And now suppose you want to give more properties to this, then you will say animation, then you will give the name of your animation, which is box move, and after that I will say 4 seconds. This will last for 4 seconds. Then I will say linear. Okay, so we have seen previously what is this linear. These are 4 to 5 properties, and I want my animation to last for infinite number of times. And if I'm just saving this and executing my animation, it will just work for infinite number of times, and animation will take place for the entire sequence of animation will take 4 seconds. If I'm just saying 2 seconds, then entire animation should start in 2 seconds. Okay, so now it is changing its speed because it has to complete that everything, all the positions inside. I mean, it has to complete all the sequence within 2 seconds. Okay, and if you want to give the value as ace in, then you can do that. Give the ace in as a value, save this, and refresh. Okay, so this is the ace in effect. So we have seen what is this ace in, ace out, ace in and out, and infinite. And if you want to make this alternate, then you can do that also. Okay, so now it will be alternately running. Okay, so now it is also going reverse. Okay, so now it is going reverse, in the reverse direction. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about animations. Okay guys, now I want to show you one more thing. If you want to change its coordinates, you can do that. So what I'll do is I want at 25 I mean when the animation completes 25%, I just want to flip these values. I will bring these values over here, and I will take these values on this place. Okay, so I will save this now, and let me just refresh now. So as you may see, now it has changed its position, because now I want my animation to take place diagonally. Okay, so now it is going diagonally. It is coming this way, then it is going to the top and the right. Okay, so this is how you can change its position and make it work. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about animations.